everyone, it's Gagajoy, Gagajoy's Cooking. Today we're going to be making an old standby sloppy joes, only it's a little different. When my kids were growing up, this was actually on the menu quite a few times during the month. With this, I've already started so it won't take so long. I've got a pound and a half of hamburger, 80-20. I've got a whole green pepper, a whole yellow pepper, and a whole onion. That's sort of standard for, as you know, for sloppy joes. And I've got it browned. And I'm going to add, you can add sloppy joe, package of sloppy joe if you want to. I'm putting about a half a cup of ketchup, half a cup of tomato sauce, or half a can of tomato sauce, and I'd say a fourth of a cup of mustard. Yeah, my kids always just loved sloppy joes. Of course, you know, as they grow up, you quit making things that they loved, and because I always make such a big batch. Let me see if it needs some salt. Yeah, it does. Not a lot. Teaspoon. Okay. Now, I've got my pan, my baking pan here. I'm going to put this in my baking pan because it's good and done. It's a 8 to 13 or 9 to 13. Cut this off. And I've got my oven on 400. Now we're going to do the topping, which you may have seen. It's been several years since I made this, but it's good. And it's Jiffy cornbread corn muffin mix. 2 boxes. That's another good invention. Oh gosh, yes. And 2 eggs. Let's see, and a 1/3 cup of milk, but I'm going to use, instead of milk, I'm using sour cream. I'm going to put 2/3 cup of sour cream. This is also a good recipe to take camping or something because it just it sticks together so well. Plus, everybody likes it. There's so many good things in here that everybody does like. Well, I think we're going to have a little bit of. Let's go and put the rest of it in here. So we'll make it a full cup of sour cream. And it's got to go over the top. Put a little bit of a couple tablespoons of water in it. Shelf that. You want the consistency of your rigid cornbread. I think we're good. I love white cornmeal, but I use yellow quite often because I think that's the most prevalent one you can find that exists. And of course, I've never seen one like white cornmeal in this brand. And a meal like this, when you can get through with it, it's easy to keep till the next day. Make you a salad with it. And you got a good meal. See, it pretty much takes 2 boxes. Okay. So, we're making sloppy joes without buns. Take about 25 minutes. And we will eat. Well, I think our sloppy joes are ready. Well, they came out very pretty. Let's put a few little onions on it. Cornbread and onions, what go together. Just cut us a little piece. Yeah, everything's very tender and very cooked really well. Oh yeah. See, it looks really good, and it's not sloppy. It's not sloppy joe. That is so good. Yeah. I remembered it being good on buns, and that's good. Well, try sloppy joe. I think you'll enjoy it this way. Take care of yourself. Enjoy the day. Remember the joy. We'll see you soon. Bye.